Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. If you clicked on this video, why not subscribe? Promise you it's a vibe. If you rock with me, I rock with you, which means we locked in for life, and that's on period.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Today, I want to do some shopping. As you guys can tell by the title, we're going to go over to Dollar Tree. We are going to shop on a budget. No luxury shopping today. We're going to save some coins. I'm out of toothpaste, hair care, skincare, soap. The list can go on and on. Y'all know I shop. I'm testing myself out today to only spend $20. I want to see if I can get a little bit of everything in each category for under $20. Y'all think I can do it? Dollar Tree changed a little something. The price is still cheap, but they upped the price, so now everything's $125. I'm in the mood to do a little bit of shopping, and I love when you guys come with me because whenever I find good pickups, you already know I'm going to share them with you guys. So if you guys are excited to see what your girl finds, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you like these type of videos, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your girl a comment. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go shop. Ooh, okay. This looks interesting. I'm more of like a clear sheer type of girl. I don't really like the color unless I'm wearing like a matte lipstick or something like that. Listen, they got some e.l.f. in here, y'all. I actually needed a lip liner too, but I like the brown ones. Tell me this is not a little extra. I also see a lip gloss with hyaluronic acid. It's in like a pink color. And then they also have one in a fire quartz color. They have a mint lip oil, which looks pretty good. Oh, they got nails in here too, guys. I don't know if I would get my nails out of here. I usually get them for the kids, but I don't know if I would unless they're all white. But if you just need some real quick press on, especially if they're only $1.25. They have the charcoal cleansing nose strips. I like these too because my nose is always, I get a lot of whiteheads on it. Oh, they have Pond's. Pond's is a great brand. They also have a hyaluronic acid spa treatment mask. Pick up and go fruity facial mask. Check this out. They have some Dove body care cream. They have it in this color as well. All right, we're gonna go over to the mouth care now. Usually for toothpaste, I always go with Colgate. I've been going with Colgate since I was a little girl. I also like Crest too. It just all depends. But they definitely stepped it up. This right here in Walmart is usually not $1.25. If you know, you know. I really like this one because it has the breath strips in it. So it's really going to give you that boost. I also have the sensitive. So if you have really sensitive teeth, you can definitely get this as well. If you like the charcoal toothpaste, definitely try this as well. You can never go wrong with getting new toothbrushes. It's very important. So we're going to see what the toothbrushes are like. They have really cute toothbrushes, but what I'm seeing right now is only soft. I need medium to hard, okay? I usually like to get a whole pack of toothbrushes. That way, if I can rotate like every month, or if I get sick, the kids get sick, we can just swap them out. But it's looking like they have this one, and this one is Dental Guru, and it's firm. They have this one, Extreme Clean Charcoal Soft. See, look how cute this is, but it's soft. Reach is a really good brand as well. All right, so they have a whole bunch of dental flossers, and I think I'm gonna go with Aim because Aim is a good brand. Oh wow, this is different. They have children's melatonin, but in Dippin' Dots. Let me know if you guys used to eat Dippin' Dots. I love Dippin' Dots. I used to get the strawberry ones, and they also have elderberry chewies for the kids as well in Dippin' Dots. That's different. Okay, so now I'm over here with the body washes. I never heard of this brand. They have this aromatherapy, relax mint, eucalyptus. I don't think I'll like this unless I'm super sick. They also have the lavender and chamomile. You guys know I love my lavender. Let's see what it smells like. Zest, the soothing aloe, and you get a 2-pack for $1.25. I'm not too big on Yardley's. Never really liked Yardley's. So wait a minute, they have Caress. I love Caress. I can smell it through the freaking box. This is the white peach and orange blossom. They have Dove here, y'all. Jergens smells really good too. It gives you that really clean and fresh smell. You get 3 bars of soap for $1.25. They also have the Essentials body wash with baking soda. Did y'all hear me? I said Arm & Hammer. They have the Zest Simply in Ocean Wave, and they also have it in the Fresh Aqua. I gotta smell this. Over with the hand soaps, that's something that I always restock up on. I usually love the antibacterial. Of course, it's not this brand, but you can get this big one right here. Whenever I shop for like hand soaps, I kind of like a thick consistency. I don't like when it's like watery because that's when you can tell it's like really cheap, you know what I'm saying? They have this one, Nouvelle Coconut Milk. They have it in Fresh Peach, and they also have it in Fresh Berry. And then they have this one up here, Bath and Beauty Compare Scent, and they also have it in Fresh Scent. To be honest with you guys, I have like a lot of plates. I have a lot of the plastic ones for the kids, and they don't really clean good. It has like that greasy film after you wash it, so I'm definitely loving these glass plates. Obviously, the kids are not going to be using it, but it's for adults and stuff like that, and I think this is really beautiful. This is really nice too. This color is gorgeous. These are super cool too. For all you drinkers, this would be so cute to have like a margarita or something, strawberry daiquiri. When it comes to like wiping down my countertops, I'm always big on bleach. I feel like bleach kills everything. I have Spick and Span in here, which I don't really use. Y'all already know Pine Sol does it. But Pine Sol to me is just too, I don't know, it's giving too much of a tree. I don't like it. This one, whenever I'm like mopping my floors, this one is great. Lemon Fresh in your house. It just gives it that nice, chill, clean, refreshing smell. I love Fabuloso, but I've never tried this one. I have this one with the vinegar. These are all new. I've never seen these before. So now I'm over to like the laundry detergent. Usually I use Gain or Tide. It just all depends on my mood, but listen here, y'all. They got the Unstoppables. Put this in your clothes and I'm telling you, it's gonna boost the smell. The only thing is that it's only one dose. This will be for like a really small load. They have balance. All right, y'all. So I'm in the little snack aisle and I'm just browsing. Tell me how they have these Starburst singles on the go. They just be doing too much. They make it so hard for people like me to resist. But why do they have Fiji water in here for $1.25? Stop playing. Can you believe this? I don't know if you guys tried these before. These are such a great snack. These Clif Bars, I bought these from Walmart and it was literally almost like $7 for a box of it. But they have them in here. They have it in chocolate chip flavor. They have it in peanut butter as well. Stop. Wait a minute. They got Pepperidge Farm in here, y'all. Stop playing with your girl. What? They got Kraft up in here. This is the best barbecue sauce. I get this one or I get the sweet honey. They are really outdoing themselves today. All right, guys, so I'm back from Dollar Tree. So now we're going to do a little haul. I set a budget for myself for $20, but I did go over $8. That's still good. I was making sure that I didn't hit 30. I was really just going to get a lot of hygiene stuff. But believe it or not, the shelves were pretty bare. There weren't too many like hair products. I'm more into the home domesticated stuff anyway. So I picked up 2 of these plates. I think these are so elegant, so beautiful, perfect for date night. They're perfect for like parties or special events. I feel like see-through anything just looks really pretty and classy. And I got 2 glasses to match them. These are really pretty. I like the accent. It's like a diamond shape. And again, I have a lot of like plastic cups because of the kids and they're very clumsy. So I don't really keep a lot of glass, but it's time to, you know, step it up and get on my grown and sexy, okay? You can't get a beautiful glass like this for $1 anywhere. Definitely given fancy, luxury, and high maintenance. These are gorgeous, okay? What caught my eye was that they're marble and I just love the way these look. This is perfect for cereal, perfect for a fruit bowl, yogurt, oatmeal, whatever the case may be. And these are plastic. Marble is beautiful. Look how cute this is, y'all. I got 2 of these. You can never have enough kitchen towels. And I love what it says. It says this kitchen is seasoned with love. I was looking for the matching glove because I'm constantly burning myself when I'm cooking, but they didn't have the match. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get this and maybe I'll find something else in another store. Y'all already know cotton balls. I don't even need to explain. This is perfect for taking off your makeup, whatever. When I do my skincare routines, I'm always looking for cotton balls, and it's great for taking off your nail polish as well. So we got that. Also got a 300 count of Q-tips. Q-tips are another necessity that you need to have. You're not really supposed to clean your ears like that, but I just can't stand when my ears are not like clean. Like that's a big pet peeve for me. If you're ever sitting next to somebody and you happen to look in their ear and you see the buildup, so baby, this is definitely something that I don't play with. I also picked up some Aim Floss and Picks. These are definitely another necessity. Always keep these in my house, especially after you're done eating some ribs, some chicken, corn, whatever the case, food gets stuck in your teeth. I got a 2-pack of Close-Up Active medium toothbrushes. Toothbrushes are always a necessity. You're gonna constantly need to change your toothbrushes. Again, I was looking for the really firm ones and they only had individual. And I'd really like to get a pack of it so that the kids can use it and then I don't have to constantly keep going back. This will do for now. And the colors are super cute. I can't find my toothpaste, y'all. I bought a Colgate toothpaste and I can't find it. I also picked up this Wet n Wild lip gloss balm. No Show Intense Shine. I just love a good gloss, and I love when it's really thick in consistency because you know it's gonna stay on long. Usually I go to Walmart for my lip glosses and I'm paying $7 or better, and I just definitely saved on this. I should have got more than one, but to be honest with you, I have so many lip glosses. I also picked up this Suave Cherry Blossom Pampering Hand Soap. Once I seen that it was Suave, I was like, okay, Dollar Tree really has some good finds if you take your time and look through some stuff. Cherry Blossom is not my favorite, but I do shop at Bath & Body Works and they have some really nice Cherry Blossom scents. So this will do. This was literally the only one that they had on the shelf. That's the only reason why I got one. I wasn't too keen on the other brands, only because it looked very like watery. Dove is always going to be my #1 choice because it's very clean, very fresh, and it's very gentle on the skin. And I use this one in particular for down here, okay? Because you don't want to put anything that's too strong or contains too many fragrances because then you're gonna have another problem. I also picked up this Caress because Caress is bomb, y'all. Caress does it. Caress has such a potent smell, and you can smell it through the box, and you know it's gonna give you long-lasting longevity. I love the way my skin smells after I use Caress. So I picked up these two, picked up these vent clips for your car, and I got the brand Refresh. Got 2 of these. I got both of these in Fresh Linen because Fresh Linen always smells like downy, clean clothes. I love a clean scent, and when somebody gets in your car and they're like, oh, your car smells good. I literally just bought some of these and I paid probably almost $8, so this is definitely a good steal. Picked up this Germax fragrance-free hand sanitizer because this is a must. You're not walking around with one of these in your bag. I don't know what you're doing, sis. I don't know what you're doing, bro, but you need to have this on deck at all times. And I like this one because I can clip it onto my pocketbook. You can clip it onto your pants. I'm so proud I disciplined myself, only because my budget was $20. But I found this candle. It's by Sure Scents. It's not Yankee, it's not Home Goods, it's not all of that, but the smell is given. In the scent Fresh Linen as well, and it smells so freaking bomb. I got these 2 Palm Olive dish liquid soaps, and I love this. I tell you guys all the time, some of you guys are just stuck in your ways and you just want to stick to what you know, and I ain't mad at that, but definitely try this brand. It's so freaking good, and I love the way it cleans my dishes. It doesn't have like a really strong smell. It's really good for cleaning like grease, and it just makes my dishes really, really clean. I usually just stick with this one, which is the Oxy Deep Grease Cutting Power. They had this new one, which is antibacterial, and this is really good for if you're sick or whatever, people are sick in your house, and you really need to soak your dishes and clean them with a little bit of bleach, because bleach kills everything. Normally, I go to Target and get the big size one, and it lasts me a long time, but you can never have enough of this. It's good to just keep it in underneath your sink so that you'll never run out. I wish that they were bigger, but come on, you can't beat this for $1. I also picked up a magic eraser by Mr. Clean, and I love and I need, and I'm gonna always forever need magic erasers, because if you have any toddlers, small children, then you understand what I'm talking about. The markings on your wall. This magic eraser is so powerful. It literally will take away any stains or anything that you have on your walls. Get you a magic eraser. Also picked up this Fabuloso baking soda orange multi-purpose cleaner, and I love this so much. I live by this. I'm so mad that I'm late to this, but this is such a great smell when you're mopping your floors. It's gonna have the smell resonates, and it just makes your house smell good all day long. Out of all of the Fabulosos, get this orange one. Last but not least, I picked up my Life Water. For the most part, I drink any type of water, but Life Water has that, I don't know, something about it. It's purified. It just tastes real clean. You know, some waters just taste weird. I don't know if it's just me, even though water it's not supposed to have a taste. You can just taste the difference between different waters and different brands. This Life Water in the Dollar Tree is a come up. So your girl had to pick up 2 of these. Drink water and mind your business is my motto that I live by, and your girl is definitely trying to be glowing all summer. This is my receipt, and everything came to $28.45. My budget was $20. So I really am proud of myself because little things add up, especially when you're going in different aisles and you're like, oh, I could use this for my house. Oh, I need this. Pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you shop at Dollar Tree. Let me know what you go to Dollar Tree strictly for. But I just put y'all on to something. I can never say I never put y'all on to nothing. Let me know if you want me to do some more hauls and at what stores you would like to see me go shopping, because you know, girl loves to shop. With that being said, I love you guys so much. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle.